we're gonna be opening this Smashers Season 3 Dino egg. Over 25. Okay, let's get opening. This is what it looks like. And the back. Whoa. Cool. This is cool. Whoa. What is this? We're gonna have to figure out what to do. Let me grab the scissors. Oh, we have a Smasher right here. And this is the last thing. Dino Dirt. And Fossil Rock. And here is Fizz Lava. And here's the chip. Glowing slime. Okay, let's go. Dino Dirt. It is. This is where we start. Dino Dirt. It smells amazing. It smells like the dirt. Found something. Oh, the map? Okay, that's all. Here's the mouth of the T-Rex and the head of the T-Rex. Fuzz Lava! Okay, we're gonna do the fizzy lava. Take this and let's get started. Whoa. Not that much. More wow. I got the foot of the dinosaur. Oh, it smells bad. I can taste it with my mouth. So we're gonna find out what's the next one. Is this the third one? Yes. Okay, we're gonna have to do the glow in the dark slime. Whoa, here's the slime. Oh, there's more. It's so fun. Oh, there's 4 parts. Okay, we got the tail. And we got the spine cord. And we got 3 pieces. We got the tail. We got the piece of the tail that belongs to it. And the spine cord that we can easily just put in. First I'm gonna place this. It's so jiggly. If you wanna see it glow, let it burn. It looks so cool. Find out what to do next. we're gonna do Fossil Rock. Let's get digging. Okay, let's get this open. It just exploded. Ah! Okay. Okay, we got the other leg out. I got these two legs. Do the last one. That I know it's the head. I'm just gonna make it even more. Okay, let's get started. Ice Age hoodie. And what I'm gonna have to do. This is easy to take off. It's a foot and an arm. One more arm and we can get building. Okay. And we got the dinosaur. We're gonna smash the egg. We got a doofy one. We got this is a crazy one. It has 4 arms and a lot of life. Okay, we are gonna find the names. This guy, his name is Munchosaur. Right here, it's Spidersaur right here. Okay, we got Shell Smasher. He's eating his baby. He's eating his baby. I'm just gonna drop it. Oh, we got another one of the Spinosaurus. This is his twin. Okay. A special edition. We are so lucky. Numbskull. The Numbskull. Last one, we kind of opened it already. I accidentally dropped it. And here's it. It's